George Washington, 1732, 1799. Today, he would be a real estate agent in the United States, presenting houses with authority and earning trust as one of the most reliable sellers. Leonardo da Vinci, 1452, 1519. Today, he would be an architect, blending art and science to design visionary spaces for the modern world. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955. Today, he would be a university professor, teaching physics with passion and clarity, and inspiring students to see the world in a new way. Peter the Great, 1672, 1725. Today, he would be a head of R&D, leading bold innovations and shaping the future of industries. Socrates, 470 to 399 BC. Today, he would be head of sales motivation, pushing his team with sharp questions and timeless wisdom to achieve results. Nikola Tesla, 1856, 1943. But in modern times, he would work as the owner of a tech startup specializing in electronic technologies. Julius Caesar, 100 to 44 BC. Today, he would be CEO of a defense company, directing Italy's military strategy and shaping power with his commanding vision. Al Capone, 1899 to 1947. Today, he would own a brewery, turning his bootlegging past into a bold craft beer brand across America. William the Conqueror, 1028 to 1087. Today, he would own his own fight promotion, building a powerful brand around strategy, dominance, and spectacle in modern combat sports. Ludwig van Beethoven, 1770 to 1827. Today, he would craft lyrics for modern music labels, blending raw passion with timeless artistry. Benjamin Franklin, 1706, 1790. Today, he would be a successful bank director, merging wisdom, innovation, and trust to lead modern finance. Abraham Lincoln, 1809, 1865. In today's world, he might work as a taxi driver, guiding passengers with the same honesty and storytelling spirit that once defined his leadership. Cleopatra, 69, 30 BC. Today, she would be a pastry chef, crafting exquisite desserts with elegance and precision, ruling kitchens like she once ruled empires. Winston Churchill, 1874 to 1965. Today, he would be a cigar and whiskey taster, savoring each note with the same passion he had for words and wartime strategy. George V, 1865 to 1936. Today, he would be a photographer, capturing life's moments with regal precision, framing history through the lens instead of a crown. Vincent van Gogh, 1853, 1890. Today, he would be a graphic designer, turning bold colors and striking lines into modern visuals that capture emotion and creativity. Joan of Arc, 1412 to 1431. Today, she would be a nightclub administrator, managing crowds with her fiery spirit and unshakable determination. Richard the Lionheart, 1157 to 1199. Today, he would be a popular urban blogger, sharing bold adventures and fearless views with thousands of modern followers. Martin Luther King Jr., 1929 to 1968. Today, he would be a writer and critic, using his voice to challenge injustice, inspire hope, and ignite modern debates on freedom and equality. Catherine the Great, 1729, 1796. Today, she would be a chief accountant, balancing vast empires of numbers with precision and control, ensuring order and power through finance. Christopher Columbus, 1451 to 1506. Today, he would be a travel blogger, sharing stories of daring voyages, new lands, and discoveries with millions of curious followers online. Charles Darwin, 1809, 1882. Today, he would work in a research center, analyzing data, conducting experiments, and exploring the mysteries of evolution and life. Elizabeth II, 1926 to 2022. Today, she would be a fashion model for top British magazines, gracing covers with elegance, charm, and timeless royal beauty admired worldwide. William Shakespeare, 1564 to 1616. Today, he would be the head of a local theater, staging plays and leading actors while keeping the art of drama alive for the community. Thomas Edison, 1847, 1931. Today, he would be a leading specialist in developing modern equipment, creating innovations to power technology and improve daily life. Napoleon Bonaparte, 1769 to 1821. Today, he would be working in the Paris police, using his leadership and strategy to maintain order and enforce the law. Isaac Newton, 1643, 1727. Today, he would be working in sales at a farming company, applying logic and precision to boost growth and secure loyal clients. Mona Lisa, 1503. Today, she would be a glamorous socialite, always at the hottest parties, radiating mystery and charm with her timeless smile. Galileo Galilei, 1564, 1642. Today, he would be the head of a modern research center, leading teams to explore new frontiers of science and innovation. Susan B. Anthony, 1820, 1906. Today, she would be a lawyer, using her voice and skill in court to fight for justice, rights, and equality in modern society. Thomas Jefferson, 1743, 1826. Today, he would be a Google marketer, crafting bold strategies and campaigns to shape global digital influence. Theodore Roosevelt, 1858 to 1919. Today, he would be a city tour guide, sharing stories of history, adventure, and nature with travelers around the world. George Armstrong Custer, 1839 to 1876. Today, he would be a lawyer, defending clients with bold strategies and a fearless courtroom presence. Margaret Brown, 1867 to 1932. Today, she would be a manager of a charity foundation, using her wealth and energy to lead projects and help those in need.